The Four of Cups makes a pause in the emotional journey, a moment of withdrawal, introspection, and quiet dissatisfaction. After the celebration of the three, the heart turns inwards, no longer stirred by what once brought joy. At the center sits a young man beneath a tree, arms crossed, gaze fixed downwards. He is the embodiment of contemplation and emotional fatigue, poised between reflection and resistance. This central figure expresses a turning inward. His folded arms and legs form a barrier, signaling a self-protection and emotional closure. He is not in despair, but in a stillness that risks becoming apathy. His focus on the ground shows absorption in his inner world, detached from possibilities around him. The first supporting symbol is the divine hand offering a fourth cup from a cloud. This celestial gesture mirrors the ace's gift of grace, yet here it goes unnoticed. The cup represents renewal, inspiration, or opportunity, sometimes emotionally significant, being presented by the universe. That the youth does not look up reveals the card's central tension. Meaning is present but unseen. The second symbol is the three upright cups before him. They are full but ignored, representing past pleasures or emotional patterns that no longer satisfy. They show that what once nourished now feels stagnant. These cups remind us that emotional cycles must evolve. Repetition cannot sustain growth. The third symbol is the tree under which he sits. It provides shade, stability, and a sense of rootedness. Yet it also symbolizes the comfort zone, a place that supports contemplation, but can also trap the seeker in inertia. The tree is both sanctuary and limitation. The fourth symbol is the young man's closed posture. His crossed limbs reinforce emotional constriction and resistance to engagement. This stance questions whether his withdrawal is restful introspection or an avoidance of renewal. The fifth symbol is the distant landscape, soft hills and open space stretching beyond him. This horizon signifies possibilities not yet acknowledged, the emotional movement that will eventually return once reflection has run its course. Together, these symbols form a portrait of emotional pause. The Four Cups invites mindfulness, asking whether one is genuinely contemplating or merely refusing to see new opportunity. In readings, it signals stagnation, restlessness, or the need to notice what is being offered. Its medicine is awareness. Lift your gaze and consider the cup that you have yet to acknowledge.